One.
This is Lexi Taskerud telling you about blizzards. Snowflakes are made out of ice crystals. Each snowflake has 6 sides. They also have as many as 200 ice crystals attached together. Snowflakes form in clouds when the temperature gets below freezing cold, which is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. The ice crystals form around little teensy of dirt. That is the wind that's carried them into the atmosphere. As the snow crystals grow, they become heavier and fall towards the ground. Beams of sunlight bounce right back out of the snow. Although snow can have many different colors in it, it just reflects white because of the crystals reflecting the light. Blizzards form when cold air is at the top of the surface and warm air rises over it. That causes very strong winds. Wild winds in a snowstorm blow at least 35 miles an hour. If there is a lot of moisture in the air, that creates snow. Snow plus strong winds equals a fierce blizzard. During a snowstorm, there can be a whiteout. That means that so much snow is blowing that people cannot see anything. They call that zero visibility. Something really cool can also happen during a blizzard. It can thunder and lightning. That is called thunder snow. Here is some great video of a blizzard and thunder snow.